today is wash day. So here are some materials you will need. A comb, spray bottle, some conditioner, whether it's leave-in or it's a regular conditioner, some shampoo, something with thick consistency. See? And first, you will start off by sectioning your hair into 2 parts, 3 parts, or 4 parts. Doesn't matter, whatever fits your preference. Next, you want to detangle. Not like that. You want to hydrate your hair before you even start to detangle to prevent any hair breakage or hair pulling. After you rinse your hair, you want to take your shampoo and put a generous amount in your hands and into your hair. And make sure you get it all up in there real good. Once you rinse your shampoo out, you want to section off your hair again. And next, you want to use your conditioner. Now, my model here, she's using a leave-in conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner leaves your hair very soft, smooth, and has a nice smell to it. And my model here has fuzzy hair, so this conditioner really gets into her hair and lets her be able to comb through it very easily, as you can see.